Good day, I am Rolling Christopher Games and I will be presenting the International Standard Book Number System as well as the ISBN 10 and ISBN 13 format and how check digit is computed in that format. Also, I will be answering the following examples given and discuss its solutions. So first off, ISBN is short for the International Standard Book Number. It is a unique numeric commercial book identifier that is assigned to each edition and variation of a book. The ISBN identifies the title or other book-like product, such as an audiobook, to which it is assigned, but also the publisher to be contacted for ordering purposes. The method of assigning an ISBN is nation-based and varies from country to country, depending on how large the publishing industry is within a country. The ISBN is an identifier and does not convey any form of legal or copyright protection. However, in some countries, the use of ISBN to identify publications has been made into a legal requirement. And lastly, ISBNs were 10 digits in length up to the end of December 2006. But since January 1, 2007, they now always consist of 13 digits. ISBNs are calculated using a specific mathematical formula and include a check digit to validate the number. In ISBN 10-digit format, the initial ISBN identification format was devised in 1967. Based upon the 9-digit standard book numbering SBN created in 1966, the 10-digit ISBN format was developed by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, and was published in 1970 as International Standard ISO 2108. The 9-digit SBN code can be converted to a 10-digit ISBN by prefixing it with a 0-digit 0. Thus, ISBN 13-digit format as of January 2007, ISBN agencies all over the world began to assign new ISBN numbers that are 13 digits long, replacing the 10-digit numbers previously provided. Changing to ISBN 13-digit format has increased the available number of ISBNs worldwide and enabled conformance to the EAN global numbering system. So now I'll be explaining how check digit is computed in ISBN 10 by giving an example about it. In order to know the check digit of the book, we get the summation of the ISBN number, in this case, 093638540, multiplied to its corresponding placement in decreasing order. So as shown below the example. So once we get the sum, we then would divide it by mod 11, which means that we will have to find the remainder when the sum is divided by 11. Afterwards, the calculated remainder will then be subtracted from 11 to get the final check digit. Note that the check digits should always be a single digit. When the check digit is a 2-digit number, then the check digit would be X. Same process in computing check digit in ISBN 13. On the other hand, the ISBN 13 check digit, which is the last digit of the ISBN, must range from 0 to 9 and must be such that the sum of all the 13 digits, each multiplied by its weight alternating between 1 and 3, which is multiple of 10. Another factor that will be changed is that after getting the summation, we then divide the total by mod 10, which also means that we will find the remainder when the total number is divided by 10. Afterwards, the remainder will be subtracted from 10 to get the final check digit. For sample problems, Question 1, solve for the check digit of the ISBN 10 088743015X. So in solution, identify the corresponding weights in step 1. Then in step 2, multiply the numbers to their weights and add them as shown below, which resulted into 237. And that 237 will be divided by mod 11, which give us a remainder of 6. So this 6 will be subtracted from 11, which give us 5. So the calculated check digit is 5. So the complete ISBN 10 format is 088743015 and 5. So in question 2, translate ISBN 10 in question A into ISBN 13 and solve for the check digit. So in step 1, 978 will be added as the first 3 digits. So that would give us 97808874315 and X. So in step 2, we identify the corresponding weight. By that, we multiply the numbers to their weights and then add. This lead us to a result of 108. So in this 108, we will divide it by mod 10, which is 8, and then will be subtracted again from 10. So this will give us 2 as a remainder, as a answer. So and lastly, determine the missing digit of 978971655X07 and 6. So again, step 1, identify the corresponding weights. And step 2, multiply the numbers to their corresponding weights and add them, which give us an polynomial of 128 plus 3x. So in step 3, find multiples of 10, equate it, and solve for x. Note, it should give you a single digit number. So performing all this process, we would come up with 3 value of x, which is 0.67, 4, and 7.33. So when using 140, the equivalent value of x is equal to 4, which means that this is the missing digit from the ISBN. So to check whether it is valid, the remainder should be 0. So as you can see below, the following process resulted in 0 remainder. So that's all. Thank you.